Hey, Munson reporting live from São Martinho de Porto on the final day of the festa. You saw the blue flashing light there? That is the outrider for the procession that's come from the church just in the top of town. No, not a Portaloo exhibition. There's somebody emerging from the Portaloo being immortalised. But look, this is what we're here for. Look, here they come. Hola, boa tarde.
Hola, boa tarde.
Seems a little bit somber at the moment, doesn't it? But there's a band as well, I think. These guys might look a little bit shocked because they've just come down a very steep Calçada hill. And as I walked down it myself, I was thinking, I'm sure the band and the march won't come this way to procession. But I think they have. But everyone seems to be walking without a limp still, which is great. It's lovely. São Martinho de Porto there, folks. And in the background, that's the warm-up music for the TV, the live TV, Somos Portugal, that's going out this afternoon. Here comes Santo Antonio. Oh, is this San Pedro? Oh, I'm not sure. San Pedro, I think. This is the festival of Santo Antonio, but that would appear to be San Pedro. Here comes San Pedro Gonçalves Telho and San Martinho. Nossa Senhora behind. It's quite amazing. Incongruous though, isn't it, with the banging tunes in the background. There's San Martinho. I love the saints, love the saints. And Our Lady, of course. These beautiful girls here in their pink robes too, carrying Our Lady. It's quite a responsibility, isn't it? And Nossa Senhora de Fatima as well. Different teams, different saints and key important holy figures. I was going to say holy VIPs, that doesn't sound quite right, does it? No, I think that may not be everything. That might be just the procession of the saints, Santos Populares maybe. Because I'm sure I saw a band tucked away in a tiny street up top of town. Oh my goodness, look what's coming now. It's going to build up to Santo Antonio possibly. How lovely. Look at this, with the red tabards now. Beautiful, and a beautiful floral display as well. A reference to the seafaring nature of São Martinho de Porto. Santo Antonio, of course, here we go, and a fishing net behind them. The ladies in traditional garb, I think. Santo Antonio. Patron saint of little children, of course, you can see here. Oh dear, I think there's a little bit of a technological problem here. Oh no, they're just swapping over, I think, to give a little bit of relief to their shoulders perhaps. You do not want that going over. Here we go, up. Keep I think the gentleman in front of me is relaying this to a family member. How lovely is that? Who might not be able to be here today. Oh look. Oh. This is highly educational. And the holy man coming through. I really feel like I shouldn't have my hat on here. He hasn't got his hat on. He's got his own cover, being shaded from the direct sunlight by a group of officials, notable officials. Ah, here comes the band. There we go. which is sounding quite somber still, isn't it? But maybe that's the tone of things here. Excuse my ignorance. Somebody quickly popping into the Portaloo. Now they're going to be stuck in there as the band comes past. Let's hope it's a number 2. How embarrassing is that? Oh, that's the guy who's doing the warm-up stuff on the stage for the TV. He's a celebrity of the Portuguese TV. Here comes the band. The rest of the town following. And that is extremely important because although there's been 9 days of partying here, all of course originates with Sant'Antonio, Festa de Sant'Antonio, and the right acknowledgement there on this Sunday afternoon on the last day of the Festa. Beautiful. Have a great day.